What is up, everybody, and welcome back to the Ford Era. We are still out here in Apache Junction, Arizona. We drove back from California yesterday, and this truck is awesome. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. Works good, drives good, presents good, looks good. But the one thing that it doesn't have yet is a rockin' stereo system. But that's about to change today. So we're gonna be heading over to my buddy Cole's. I got a package delivered, and then I'm gonna be able to take out this head unit that doesn't work and actually start jamming out. So, gonna let her warm up for a second, and then we're gonna head over to Cole's. Alright guys, so now we're inside the shop. Got some stuff situated. We got Cole here. And what all are we going to be doing? What all we got here, it looks like?
We got the whole retro sound kit, a couple 8-inch subs, 8-inch powered sub, speakers, radio face, this handy little guy right here.
This one's actually pretty cool. So what they did is, a lot of people did what's in this truck, which is someone cut out the original radio and put in a singled in. Well, Retro Sound makes a kit, so that way you could run the OG stuff, but you have this, so that way it'll look really nice. And then it comes with these little inserts, so that way it'll be looking more original, see? Then you put the knobs on it, and then you have this radio behind it. Yeah, so you put this into the slot, then this stuff is what actually holds this radio into place, and then you'll see. We're gonna show you how everything kind of goes together. So what's always your first step? How do you like to attack this type of stuff?
I think first we'll take the dash out and we'll get that old radio out and get that new one in, and then after that we'll probably pull the seat and stuff out.
All right, well, I'm gonna hit it with all the B-roll and you guys enjoy. Now that he got the bezel out, he's taking out the old radio, and then we're going to build the new radio. Exactly what he's doing here. So it comes with this little casing, and you see it's got all these like little slots. So what you do is you push them down into place, which make it hold. Right? That's pretty much. Yeah. Figured it'd be hard to explain that in a time lapse. And then you guys can see we built a head unit. So it starts with this little box, then you put the face on it, then you put the sides on it, then you put the top face, and now we have a single DIN replacement. And it's really cool how all that works. See, so there's tabs right there. You can see one bent up. So comes the fun part. He actually did all the wiring, so he's got nice Tesla tape on everything. You know what's cool is how simple it all seems to be, just a plug and play. The dash is all mounted. Pulling out the bolts to pull out the seat. We're going to be putting the sub right here, as you can see, in the middle. And then we got the sub speaker tweeter things for each side. So I'll show you once we get the seat pulled out. Back, and it's actually the next day. So last night we just started hanging out and then we all went home. So now you can see the seats back in. We got speaker number 1, speaker setup 2, sub here in the middle, and right now getting the seat finished bolted in, but it all works. Come on. There we go. So it all works. We got the Bluetooth connected, and we're gonna get this thing buttoned back up, and I'll pull it out and give you guys a full yeah. All right, guys. Now, obviously, I can't play any music and record a video at the same time, but the head unit is awesome. It's so easy to work. The Bluetooth works great. The speakers sound amazing, and the sub bumping, but I'm on the way back. I'll be at Travis's in a second, and I'll give you guys a little bit better look. Guys, so we're back here, and as you can see, we got the sub and amp set up, the speakers behind the seat, we got the head unit. Look how cool it is. Literally fits perfect. You would never know that there was a single DIN drilled into there, and that's it. This is this trip with the Midas. We had a great time. Stereo is definitely going to make the next trip even more awesome, but right now we're here, we're doing this. I'm loving it. So yeah, what we're gonna do next, you guys, I gotta head to the airport. So like, subscribe, all the good stuff. See you in the next video.